Okay, so my brother's Explorer hasn't been working properly for the past few weeks because the wiper goes on randomly. So researching online, found out that it might be issue with the switch. So I'm going to surprise him by fixing his wiper switch. So I got this off eBay. This is the replacement switch, and we're going to replace that. First, you need to remove this piece of plastic, pull down the steering adjustment lever, and remove the 3 bolts here. Okay, let's go to work. Okay, so I already removed the bottom and top steering column covers. Now, in order to access these screws and to remove the wiper switch, we will need to have the steering wheel in this position, else you won't be able to access it because this is on the way. There you go. So once the screw is removed, all you need to do is pinch these 2 tabs here and pull it to this and pull the switch to the right. There you go. So pinch these tabs and pull it to the right. Show you the comparison. The one on the left is the old switch and the one on the right is the new one. You can see that the old switch has like a grease on it. Unfortunately, I don't have one. Maybe the grease is to prevent the device from sticking into its electronic slot, and so you won't have a hard time pulling it out in case of replacement. But yeah, we'll just risk it. Unfortunately, I don't have that thermal grease or electronic grease or whatever you call it. Okay, so installation is pretty much the reverse. You just push it into its socket or slot. There you go. Then cover everything up. Put everything back. The column covers. Put in the screws, and that's it. Okay, so I've been running the car for roughly around 10 minutes. And the wipers didn't go on at least once, so it's a good idea, right? Here's the surprise for my brother.